Tesla officially announced the decision to move the company's headquarters to a site in Austin, Texas from Palo Alto, California. Elon Musk himself made the announcement as he updates all Tesla fans about the new home. Want to know why Elon Musk picked Texas among other states and what he hopes to gain from establishing a base in Austin? Stay tuned. Welcome back once again, and please don't forget to subscribe, share, and click the bell icon so you can get updates on exclusive information about Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and other subsidiaries of the billionaire and tech icon. Tesla has officially relocated its headquarters to a $1.1 billion manufacturing facility that is currently being constructed in southeastern Travis County. The address is at 13101 Howard Green Road. In 2021, Tesla will resume its operation to create electric vehicles and other high-definition tech gadgets. A lot of Austinites are equally excited about Tesla's decision, especially since Tesla announces that the relocation comes with a new resolution. Tesla plans to increase production by 50% and also increase production batteries equally. While we're excited about getting a new Tesla headquarters, there are still some questions that are yet to be answered. Will the company build a separate headquarters building from the Gigafactory already being constructed? How many employees from California will be coming to the new headquarters? And how many estimated jobs will be created by this move? Elon Musk had announced the headquarters relocation during the company's shareholder meeting in October 2021. For many, it came as a surprise. Musk had complained about the limitation of the facility in the San Francisco Bay Area to account for further expansion of the company. He also lamented the increasing cost of housing and how stressful it was for the employees to get to their place of businesses. Musk said, "I'm excited to announce that we are moving our HQ to Austin, Texas. Just to be clear though, we will continue to expand our activities in California. This is not a matter of Tesla leaving California, as our intention is actually to increase output from Vermont and Nevada for 50%. Musk added, "It's tough for people to afford houses, and a lot of people have to come from very far away, and so we're taking it as far as possible, but there's a limit to how big you can scale in the Bay Area." Tesla will be moving to Texas at a time when many relatable businesses are finding it difficult to stay. Recently, the state passed a social policy that received a lot of backlash from citizens and brands. After the most restrictive anti-abortion law was passed in California, Tesla might have resolved to finally leave for Austin. Elon Musk openly tweeted about his disagreement with the policy. "In general, I believe the government should rarely impose its will upon the people, and, when doing so, should aspire to maximize the cumulative happiness. That said, I would prefer to stay out of politics," said Musk. During a CNBC interview, Governor Greg Abbott of Texas said that Elon had to get out of California because, in part, of the social policies of California, and that Musk consistently tells me that he likes the social policies of the state of Texas. An agreement with the California lawmakers regarding this situation in 2020 was the first time Musk threatened to move Tesla's headquarters away from Palo Alto. That same year, Musk announced the building of the $1.1 billion facility in Central Texas. Through the factory, Tesla was supposed to continue the production of the Cybertruck, Semi, Model 3 compact sedan, Model Y, and batteries on the site. The site will be large enough to accommodate over 10,000 workers. Hence, the company was preparing to initiate the hiring process. Tesla is surely going to impact the life of Austinites with this employment opportunity and production process. Musk also plans to establish production battery to contribute to the quest for climate change in the state. The eco-friendly factory will serve as a motivation to other tech factories in the state while simultaneously serving as a recreational spot for the public. Currently, Tesla can boast of over 70,000 staff, and Elon hopes to increase that number as the job opening criteria will be middle skilled and not require college degrees. Tesla made the announcement during an SEC filing in 2020. It reads, "As of December 31st, 2020, our full-time count for our subsidiaries' employees worldwide was 70,757. To date, we have not experienced any work stoppages as a result of labor disputes, and we consider our relationship with our employees to be good. Our key human capital objectives in managing our business include attracting, developing, and retaining top talent while integrating diversity, equity, and inclusion principles and practices into our core values." Tesla seeks to extend this progressive workforce to Austin, Texas, with the promise to occupy half of the employees' position from the country region. We expect a mutual relationship between Austin and Tesla, especially since Elon has plans to contribute immensely to the economy. A new headquarters is not the only plan that Elon Musk has for Austin. Elon Musk, the Boring Company, is purchasing more land in Bastrop, Texas for the tunneling startup. Neuralink also has plans to expand its production to Texas. Even SpaceX cannot be removed from the equation because there are also plans to expand its operation to the Lone Star State. Tesla, through its subsidiary Gambit Energy Storage, has also built a 100 megawatt battery in a G-Storage project in Angleton, Texas. The whole facility is powered by and also stores renewable energy produced by wind and solar. As Tesla's energy storage continues to boom, nothing else spells good luck for the company. Austin Mayor Steve Adler, during a discussion with KUEV, told them how Austin as a progressive and conservative state is the reason why tech companies like Tesla find it a comfortable base to establish their headquarters. He also believes the entrepreneurial and creative spirit of the city, coupled with the trained workforce, makes it attractive. Musk left California because of the increasing housing costs, but the prices in Austin are reportedly skyrocketing. This might be because in the recent years, major tech houses like Apple, Alphabet, Google, and Oracle have built new campuses in and around the city. In September, the median price in housing was $549,000. Steve Adler praised Tesla's decision for noticing the beneficial relationship that Austin could offer the tech company. Meanwhile, Austin has been facing a congestion problem, especially since 3 out of 4 individuals drive to work in their cars. The state is making moves to improve the public transport system to reduce the discomfort of the citizens. Tesla's new headquarters happens to be located in a transit area. Therefore, Elon Musk's decision will definitely prolong the debate between officials and executives in Texas and California about which state is a better place to do business. By the end of the year 2021, the Austin facility should be completed. However, operation and delivery will not begin until the year after. Tesla will be joining the other group of companies who have settled and thrived in Houston. Austin is a thriving liberal city and promises an eventful future for Tesla and Elon Musk. Musk previously said that the Austin area facility had become one of his biggest focuses in moving the company forward. After confirming the relocation to Texas, Musk confirmed the move was also to be closer to his Gigafactory and SpaceX Starship development in Texas. In Austin, Tesla has plans to create an ecological paradise area surrounded by the Colorado River. He says the right side of the Gigafactory will be open to the public. It's about 2,000 acres and we're gonna make it a factory that's gonna be stunning. It's right on the Colorado River, so we're actually going to have a boardwalk where there'll be a hiking/biking trail. It's going to basically be an ecological paradise. Birds in the trees, butterflies, fish in the stream, and it will be open to the public as well. So not closed and only Tesla, Musk said. Tesla is one of the several California companies to say they were moving to Texas in the recent months. Oracle and Hewlett-Packard are among the Fortune 500 tech companies to move their respective headquarters out of California, both opting for Texas. According to Musk, trucks, Cybertrucks, vehicles, and batteries for Tesla cars will be manufactured at the factory by the end of the year, with full production starting by the end of 2022. What do you think about Tesla's new decision? Do you think moving will mean more or less for Tesla? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section.